Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems involving inverse derivatives look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds using this simple 3-step method. Let's dive into the math right now. To find the derivative of an inverse function, we use the reciprocal of the derivative of the original function evaluated at the corresponding input value. That is the core theorem. We need the value where the original function equals 4. Looking at the table, when x is 3, f of x is 4, so f inverse of 4 is 3. Now substitute 3 into the derivative formula. The table shows f prime of 3 is 5, so the final result is 1 over 5. You got this! Great job! Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't flip the wrong value. Always use the reciprocal and verify your mapping carefully.